Today we're going to be installing one of my favorite upgrades on the 85 Toyota pickup, and that is LED taillights. These are from AUTOONE. The reason that this is one of my favorite upgrades to do on an older vehicle is, for one, safety, and two, you can have way brighter taillights on a vehicle without putting some ugly aftermarket housing on it. You can keep the OEM taillights and just get a very, very bright rear taillight. Anyways, let's get right into the install. Gonna pop my tailgate down to have a little workbench. My truck is missing a screw, so we'll just not worry about that. So they actually sent me two different color bulbs, so they sent me white and red. The reason you'd put red in is only if you had a clear lens for your brake light or whatever, or if you had like clear turn signals, you wanted amber, but we're gonna stick with white since I still have a red lens. These would still work either way, but it'll just be brighter using the white light with a red lens instead of red with red. And it's the same exact process for the other side. Before I put this side in, I'll give you a side-by-side comparison. I don't know how well the camera's going to do justice, but the left side where we put the AUTOONE LED in is just so much brighter. The other thing that I like about it is with LEDs, when you hit the brake pedal, the light actually activates way quicker than an ordinary filament bulb. So it just comes on immediately. It doesn't have to power up and heat up. So super bright. So I'm going to get the other one in quick. And that's with both AUTOONE LEDs in. Super bright. Just to show you the amount of light it's emitting. See my pup clear as day. And that's just the taillights, that's not the brake lights either. So if you're looking to buy LED lights for your car, head over to AUTOONE, use discount code CONJO15 for 15% off, and get yourself some headlights, marker lights, taillights, whatever you want. And I'll leave my link in the description below.